Hi, I'm Miss Thomas. I'm one of the chemistry teachers here at St. Houston High School. Just wanted to introduce myself and welcome you guys to Fall Open House 2020. I'm starting my 12th year teaching chemistry here in Arlington ISD. I taught it for 7 years at Bowie High School before moving here to St. Houston, where I'm starting my 5th year this year. I'm actually an Arlington native. I grew up here. I attended Atherton Elementary, Hutcherson Junior High, and I actually attended right here at St. Houston High School, where I graduated in 2005. I then attended Texas Christian University, go Frogs, where I earned my bachelor's degree before coming back here to start my teaching career in Arlington. I'm currently teaching 3 different levels of chemistry, but throughout my career, I've taught everything from on-level regular chemistry to all the way up to AP and IB chemistry. This year, I'm teaching advanced chemistry, where I have sophomores, and then I'm also teaching a couple different levels of IB chemistry, where I have a mixture of juniors and seniors. I just wanted to let you guys know that we do have kind of a mix going on of some students are virtual only, where some students are now hybrid, where they're coming in person a couple days a week and they're learning virtual on the other days of the week. But no matter which way they are learning, all of their assignments and their attendance will be done through our online platform Canvas. So you as a parent can actually have an observer account, which you need a pairing code from the teacher to where you can observe their class. So if you are interested in that and you have not already signed up for that, please email me. My email is down here below at the bottom. It's jthomas8@aisd.net, and I'd be happy to get you a pairing code and help you get set up doing that so that you can keep your student on track and help them with their assignments and their time management. Their final grades will be posted through our online team system. And so you can also have an account to check those as well. And it's through a portal called Parent Self-Serve. So again, if you would like information about that, please email me and let me know, and I will get that information to you to get you set up with an account for Parent Self-Serve as well, since that's where their report card and progress grades will be done through. A real quick about a schedule, I wanted to point out that most classes are doing an asynchronous block followed by a synchronous block, meaning that the student will be working independently online on Canvas during that asynchronous time, completing the lesson and the assignments, and then they can log on after that, the last half of class, to do synchronous time, where we'll be on a live call and I will be going over a mini lesson or answering questions for them, or whatever kind of that they need me to go over for that day. But I wanted to point out that if your student's in one of my IB classes during 4th period or 9th period, the synchronous times are going to be a little bit different. And the reason for that is because I actually have 2 different levels of IB in the same class period. And so I've had to sort of kind of split the time between them. And so the synchronous times start a little bit early, and then there's a break, and then there's a second synchronous time. So depending on what level your child's in, if they're in one of those class periods, the times will be a little bit different than what the district schedule has. So I wanted to give you a heads up about that. The last thing I really just wanted to say is that if you have any questions, any concerns at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you and your student. And again, my email is at the bottom of this slide, jthomas8@aisd.net. And you're welcome to contact me about anything. It could be related to my class, or it could just be related to school in general. But I'm happy to help at any time. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing your child if they're coming in person. And if they're not coming in person, then hopefully seeing them on our synchronous calls in the future. Have a good day.